Neetop is a very energetic dog, in case you haven't noticed, and he had been going to doggy school to learn a little bit of obedience and acting skills. And since I'm an artist and I needed to find something for him to do to keep him out of trouble, I thought I would teach him how to paint. So the first problem we came across was how to get the paintbrush made for him. Mm-hmm. And my husband figured that out, that if we put it in this little plastic, it's a garden hose thing, so it would be a tea that he could hold it in his mouth. That's it, take it. It would work. And he just took to it. The very first painting is hanging up downstairs. I'll show it to you later. Mm-hmm. I held the sketchbook up. I put the paintbrush in his mouth, and I told him to paint. And he did, and that was it. I never had to really do anything else with him. I finally decided that he would be able to paint, and my husband had made a little paintbrush for him, so I took a sketch pad, had some food coloring from the cooking kind, nothing commercial, and stuck the little brush in it and put it in his mouth and held the pad up and told him to go paint, and he did it, and that's the result. I thought it was pretty good, actually, for a first painting. Looks like a bird. He seems to know what he's doing. Mm-hmm. He had skills that were easy to translate into painting around. That's a pretty interesting painting, Neetop. I know you want a Cheerio, don't you? All right, I think that painting's done, Neetop.